Check out this beauty. I've said it before, not every Chevelle needs to be a super sport. This one here is pretty cool. It is a nut and bolt body off frame restored 67 Chevelle Malibu with an L79 350 horsepower 327, a 4-speed transmission, posi rear end, also has air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and this killer color combination you see here, tuxedo black with red interior, that is original according to the cowl tag that's still in place. Go to volocars.com. Uh, you'll see 200 classic cars. Each one will have the price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan the QR code on your screen and they'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I really like this one right off the bat. Well, the colors are incredible. The black with red combination, that really means a lot for this car. It is code AA Tuxedo Black, no vinyl top. The hood is absolutely straight, clean, fenders straight. Looking down the side, it's like a mirror. All this is just like a mirror. The reflection is just phenomenal. The roof is straight, the sail panels, all of this. Look at that. You can read a newspaper in the reflection. The gaps are right on the money. The jambs are painted real nice and slick. Shuts real nicely. Quarter panels are straight. I don't see any bumps or bubbles or cracking. All of this is just beautiful, straight, clean metal. Lines up real nicely. All looking really good. Same thing on this side. Look at that reflection. It's a mirror. I don't see any bumps or bubbles. Look at the gaps. A tiny little nick on the edge of the door. Again, jambs are painted slick. Shuts real nice, lines up beautifully. Everywhere, the pillars, all of it's looking really, really good. It looks like when they restored it, they replaced or restored all the chrome and trim, like the rocker moldings and door handles and the mirror. All the stainless looks real good. The vent window frame looks original. There's no pitting on it at all. Windshield was replaced at some point. That's crystal clear. The bumper looking really nice. You get right up on it. I will call it an 8 or 9 out of 10. It's not brand new, but real nice. The grill trim all looks very good. Original antenna. And the mag style hubcaps I think are really cool. Those are correct. They're from that era. Those are Chevrolet, has the bow tie in the middle. It's supposed to look like a mag wheel. It's a mag hubcap, and it has radial redline tires. That really gives that some pop. 327 cross flags on the fenders. Side glass is good original. Back window was probably replaced. That's crystal clear. The trim is real nice. Malibu emblems looking good. Trim back here, bumper, all that's looking real nice as well. Beautiful car, sits right, looks right. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. All right, let's see how it looks in the trunk. Nope, I already had popped open. Painted slick. The latch looks new. The jambs are slick as can be. Inside, all nice clean metal with a spatter finish. It has a new mat that's curled up a little bit. You have to get that out in the sun and work that the opposite way. We have a full jack and spare assembly. So that's what I call clean and complete trunk compartment. Again, the colors, it's a big deal on this car. Black with the red, that is sharp. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. The jambs are exceptionally nice. And you got, it's called medium red, I think, that is on the cowl tag with door panels, window cranks. All that looks like it's been redone. Just a nice, clean looking dash. The instrument panel, the lenses, the gauge, all this, all the red, just all nice. Does have a clock. It's only right twice a day, but it's got one. It has a factory AM FM radio. I had some music playing out of it when I pulled in here. And I mean, it is what it is. It's not a stereo system. The air control panel was replaced. This is all nice and clean. Has the glove box pouch with the owner's manual, working light. Does have kick panel speakers. Nice bright red carpet with reproduction mats. Has the correct 4-speed shifter curved for a bench seat. When you pull it back like that, see, that's why it's curved like that. So that's correct. Has its original seat belts. They were still optional in '66, but it has the red belts. All the upholstery's in really nice shape. Everything back here is looking just as good. Got seat belts in back, but wall to wall. Looks to be in really great shape. Got the reproduction mats. Also has the 1 speaker in back on the shelf there. And kind of funny, there's a hole in the headliner, and it's the same exact hole on the other side in the same spot. Headliner's all straight and clean, but got a hole on each side there. I can see what we can do about patching that or something. The visors were redone. The mirror looks new. And it has this nice 2-spoke deluxe steering wheel as well. So 4-speed, red interior, air conditioned. Couldn't ask for much more than that. So this is a period correct 327. It's got the double hump heads. It has the correct aluminum high-rise intake, the open element air cleaner, the right fuel filter and oil filler tube, stock manifolds, valve covers, distributor, wires, all that looks proper. This has been advertised previously as Concourse Restored, and you can see the L79, the markings, the M21 4-speed that's on the firewall, the right clamps, all this nice clean metal. Has the dust covers over the suspension. Now the air conditioning was added inside the car. It all looks factory. You've seen the vents, the controls, but it is a modern air. Delco battery topper with a disconnect switch. Nice radiator, shroud, fan, all that looks proper. Hoses, clamps, cap, and the washer bottles hooked up. The horns are there. And we got power steering, power brakes. See the little paint markings and this tag on the steering shaft. That's why they were calling it Concourse. It was restored to factory specifications. There's a picture of the trim tag on our website. Under the options, the 2LP, the L means 4-speed. So we know this car was born a black with red interior 4-speed car by that tag right there. Under the hood's painted real nice, has the hood insulation. Neat little car. Michael's going to demonstrate it for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Really liking this Chevelle here. Cool that it's factory colors. Really digging this red interior here. I do like the bench seat. Get up nice and close to your sweetheart. That's exactly where I'd be. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes on this one. Easy clutch too, the 4-speed manual. Nice run at 327. It's a great ride all the way around. Everything's been done on the underside. Steering nice and easy and tight as well. We have gone ahead and plowed our test track, but we haven't salted it. Just give you a little sampling of what the car, how it runs. We got a little gas going up the hill there. Yes, of course, weather permitting, you are welcome to come and test drive it. We always recommend that. You can also have a third-party inspector come out if you're not too mechanically inclined or don't have the time. Other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said, body off frame restored, and as they were calling it, concourse, because it's all detailed to factory specs under there. So the body was separated from the frame, the whole rolling chassis was prepped, painted, suspension, steering was all rebuilt, underbody, all nice clean metal. This car does have a nice body. I mean, it fits nice, it's aero straight, so really clean metal on the car. Correct factory type dual exhaust system, no flow masters, no headers, it all looks stock. Fuel system was replaced when they restored the car. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, proper starter. It has the correct screw-in oil filter, the canister type. A correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. I think we rebuilt the shift linkage in the car. The drive shaft's restored. It has the factory markings on it. Correct posi rear end. I think it's a 308 posi, so nice cruising gear. Put the air on, shift the gears, have a little fun. So underneath the car, throughout the car, clean, dialed in. But this is beautiful. This is nice. You want a marina blue Chevelle with Super Sport emblems? I'll find you a bunch of them. You want a black with red Malibu 4-speed 327? You're not going to find another one. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.